The best earning apps for beginners. Make money online. Today, we're diving into a money-making website that's dishing out $50 in PayPal and crypto just for tuning in. Don't miss out on this easy cash injection. Hit that like button, drop your thoughts below, and stay tuned until the end to snag your $50. Let's roll! We've uncovered a hidden gem that's tossing out easy cash like confetti. Completing quick tasks here could snag you over $10, with some hitting the jackpot at a sweet 50. This isn't your usual YouTube chatter. It's real, it's legit, and it's fresh for 2023. Stick around and I'll show you the ropes, including live withdrawal proof straight to PayPal. Time to make money online like a pro. Step 1. Meet your cash companion. Head over to EarnWeb.com, the crowned champion of high payouts and low commissions. The more tasks you tackle, the fatter your wallet gets. Plus, with a minimum withdrawal of just $1, you'll be cashing out in no time. Every coin earned here equals $1, and trust me, earning those coins is as quick as a snap. And hey, if PayPal's not your jam, swap those coins for crypto vouchers or gift cards galore. Amazon, Robux, Steam, you name it. It's your choice. Step 2. Let's get you on board. Register at EarnWeb.com. The link in the description. And choose your path. Facebook, Steam, or Google. Or go old school with a unique username. Dive into your dashboard and witness real folks like you raking in cash every minute. I've pocketed over 100 in just an hour, and you can too. But here's the cherry on top. They pay you for simply setting up your account. Click on activation links, accept notifications, choose your devices, and voila! Free money in your pocket. Step 3. The fun part. Click on the Earn section and explore a treasure trove of tasks. From adding Chrome extensions to opening app accounts, each task comes with its own payday, from $15 to a whopping $50. And guess what? Playing games is on the menu too. Get ready to pocket $5, $10, or even $21 just for gaming. Unlock new games by completing levels and watch the dollars stack up. And don't worry if some games are initially locked. Conquer the available ones and you'll soon have access to them all. Step 4. Supercharge your earnings. Answer poll questions. Install apps. Register on them and snag some sweet cashback offers. The more tasks you complete, the more you multiply your earnings. It's that simple. Here are other easy ways to earn $1,000. Transcribing audio and video files for cash. In the ever-evolving landscape of online income opportunities, there are various avenues to explore, and one lucrative option gaining traction is transcription. While artificial intelligence has tapped into the realm of speech-to-text, it's far from perfect. Many companies still rely on human transcriptionists to convert audio from video and speech files into accurate text. This opens up a door for individuals to lock in part-time roles with established companies like Rev or freelance with multiple firms on specific projects. Why transcription? The appeal of transcription lies in its flexibility. Most companies allow you to choose assignments that align with your interests and set your own schedules. What's even better is that you don't need to invest anything up front. Your computer's built-in speakers are sufficient for the job. How to succeed as a transcriber? To thrive in the world of transcription, honing your typing skills is crucial. The goal is error-free, easily comprehensible text for clients. Start by practicing on short audio files to prepare yourself for job applications with transcription companies. Unlocking the world of Patreon. For those deeply engaged in creative pursuits, platforms like Patreon offer a unique way to monetize your passion. Patreon is a membership platform designed to support artists and creators. Your dedicated fans can subscribe to your projects, providing you with a reliable stream of income. Why consider Patreon? Setting up a Patreon is free and the platform only takes a small percentage once you start earning. If you consistently produce videos, podcasts, or music and have a following, Patreon could be a game changer. The key is to offer your followers something intriguing in return for their support. This could involve them in your creative process or provide exclusive content tailored specifically for them. Making money via Patreon. Patreon provides an avenue for creators to connect more deeply with their audience and turn that connection into a sustainable income. It's a win-win for both creators and their most passionate supporters. Reviewing websites and apps for cash. Another avenue for making money online involves reviewing websites and apps for cash. Several companies are willing to pay individuals for their opinions and insights. Some companies offer payments and free products for testimonials, while others pay for assessing the quality and performance of their websites. Here are the companies to consider. User testing for app, website, and user experience testing. Try My UI for impression and survey-based testing. And Testbirds for digital product, store, and mobile app testing. The best part? None of these companies require any upfront payment or sign-up fees. You can jump into website reviewing without any investment. And the more willing you are to conduct one-on-one testing sessions, the higher your potential earnings. Joining an affiliate program. If you fancy yourself a savvy marketer, joining an affiliate program could be your ticket to earning commissions by promoting products, services, or brands on various platforms. Once accepted, you'll receive a unique affiliate link to share. Your earnings come from commissions and referral credits when someone makes a purchase through your link. Affiliate marketing demystified. Contrary to popular belief, affiliate marketing isn't limited to blog promotions. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook can serve as powerful tools for promoting businesses and earning commissions. The potential earnings vary based on the affiliate program and the products or services being promoted. These methods provide accessible and potentially lucrative paths to financial freedom. Whether you choose transcription, Patreon, website reviewing, or affiliate marketing, the key is to find what aligns with your skills and interests. Start exploring today and turn your online presence into a source of income. Keen to give it a shot? Smash that like button if you're in. And let's aim for 1,000 likes. Earn a few coins, follow the conditions mentioned, and you're ready to withdraw your earnings plus that sweet $50 giveaway. Check the description for all the details. And there you have it, the money-making scoop of 2023. It's no bluff. I've got the live withdrawal proof to seal the deal. Find the link to EarnWeb.com below. Start stacking those coins and let's turn those digital earnings into real cash. For more money-making tips, don't miss the next video popping up on your screen. Thanks for tuning in to Profitability Plus, where we're turning clicks into cold, hard cash.